To install Microsoft Clarity on your Shopify store, follow these steps. Set up Microsoft Clarity account. Sign up. Go to the Microsoft Clarity website and sign up for a free account if you don't have one. Create a project. Once logged in, click on Create Project and enter the name and URL of your Shopify store. Get the Clarity tracking code. After creating the project, Microsoft Clarity will provide a unique tracking code to install on your website. Add the Clarity code to Shopify. Log into Shopify. Go to your Shopify admin panel and log in. Navigate to Online Store. In the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, Themes. Edit Code. Find the theme you are using and click on the Actions button. Then select Edit Code. Insert Code. In the Layout section, click on Theme.liquid. Paste the Microsoft Clarity tracking code just before the closing head tag. Save changes. After pasting the code, click Save. Verify installation. Check in Clarity. Go back to your Microsoft Clarity dashboard and check if your store's data is being tracked.